Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys, forgot to say, hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export your videos on CapCut PC without the watermark. I don't think they have it anymore, but in case your app isn't updated yet, for instance, you selected export and there's going to be like a remove watermark, you just have to log into your account. So I'm just going to go to menu, back to homepage, and you're going to go to this page to log in, and that is pretty much how you can basically remove the CapCut watermark PC. Mine's logged in, so it's not there. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.